Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. To all my viewers out there, this video is for all those aspiring vloggers, aspiring YouTubers, aspiring videographers out there. You heard me right, because this is how to create your very own YouTube channel. So before we get into the product itself, before we get into the video itself, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, a pen, a pencil would do, even the notepad on your phone, on your PC, or even your laptop is fine. So the idea here is you need to just to write down the notes and follow them accordingly so you won't have any problem when you're going to try this on your own, okay? So the very first thing to do is please open your browser. Even though you can see I'm using Microsoft Edge, do not worry if you don't have one. If you only have Google Chrome, that is fine. Even if you have Mozilla Firefox, that is also fine. But I'm not quite sure if it's still there yet. Anyway, even if it's Safari, Opera, as long as you have access to the internet, you'll do just fine. Okay? So let's get into the video. Please open your browser and go to this youtube.com. I'm sure all of us knows about this. But anyway, it's gonna be www.youtube.com. This should be your landing page. If you don't see the videos, the one you're seeing on my screen, that's perfectly fine. Because these videos are specifically chosen by my algorithm and they're specifically for the Philippines. Okay? So this should be your landing page. The very first thing you need to do is you need to secure a Google account, a Gmail in short. You need that Gmail to be active. You need to have access on it because we're going to use it to create a YouTube account. So this is the landing page. As you can see here, we're going to sign in. On the top right corner, this should be the sign in button. And then this should be the landing page for your chosen account of your Google. I'm just going to use my dummy account right here. And then once we're here, give me a second. I'm just gonna log on my account right there, and this should be my account. It's gonna be that one. Okay. So if you see something here like a name, this one's a device team, you can also edit it. That means you log in. Okay. So I prefer the dark theme here. You can choose whatever you want. You can also preset it on your own team. Use the device team right here. So by the way, make sure your location is set to the one you have right on your end. On my end, I live in Manila, so mine is Philippines. If you have United States, Los Angeles, California, please choose. You can also edit your language here. So technically, it's that simple. We just created a YouTube account. However, we're gonna take it a little bit step further. We're gonna customize it. I'm gonna teach you how to edit it, how to make it look good, okay? So once you log in, I want you to click on this one right here, your channel. Let me just check my audio right here if it's good. If everything is being recorded, perfect. So this should be how others see your YouTube channel. This should be how people see your YouTube channel if they visit your account. So technically, we don't have any videos yet, playlists, channels, and about sessions just here. This is auto-generated, by the way, the date when you joined. Okay, so you want to customize this one. We're gonna click customize channel right here. Even though if you want to change your profile, it will redirect you on the customize channel landing page. Okay, let me just try that again. So I want to show you that it's the same thing. Customize channel. It will redirect me on the same landing page. Okay, so this is where we customize. We call this YouTube Studio, as you see right here. So what can we customize here? First off is layouts, video spotlights, preferably for channel trailers, and featured videos for featuring subscribers. Where can you see a featured video? Let me just show you a vlogger, a very let's just do Uncle Roger right here. So this is Uncle Roger's featured video. As you can see, this one right here, the one that is on top, this is its featured video. Okay? If you want to edit your channel and place a specific featured video, you need to choose it right here, put it here, and then it will show you on the landing page of your channel, on the very part, on the middle part. Okay? So that's that. That's the featured video. For the channel trailer, for people who haven't subscribed, this is where you add it. What is a channel trailer? You can see it on your channel itself, let's just go back to Uncle Roger right here. Okay. So,
Drain it.
I hope you heard that. That is Uncle Roger. Anyway, this is the channel trailers. These are the thumbnails for it. This is where you add the channel trailer. Okay. So for branding, especially for your profile picture, this is where you change it. You can just click change and then you can just choose, for example, this one. This is my sample photo I got from the internet on my previous videos. I can just click done here. It will be my new profile picture on my YouTube video. Again, banner. For this one, it's just the same thing. If you want this one to be your banner, however, it needs a specific pixels. I'm going to teach you how to create a banner on the future videos, but this is where you upload it, okay? And of course, the watermark. What is a watermark? Let me see if Uncle Roger has a watermark. I think not. Let's just search my favorite YouTuber right here. And for him, he has a banner. This is a watermark right here. This one on the lower right. And the banner is this one. On the top, very topmost of the channel itself. This is the banner. Again, this is the watermark. This is the banner, okay? And this is where you upload them if you want them to be placed on your own YouTube channel. So basic info is just your name, your handle, or your username. Description, what do you want to tell about your YouTube channel? This will display here on the About section. Okay? Of course, language. This would be on English for the universal language. If you have a specific language, you can add it here. And then, the channel URL is this one. This is where you copy and then send it to people for them to subscribe you. And of course, links and special links. This is how you market your channel. So what is links? As you can see here on his YouTube banner of this specific YouTuber in the Philippines, he has his link on the lower right of his banner. If you want to add that, you can just click it right here, add a link. Put the URL here and the title of the link. Because if you click on this link right here, it will direct you on the Facebook page of that specific vlogger. Okay? It's very important. So links on banner, you can choose first 2 links, you can choose first link, first 5 links, up to you. Contact info, you can put your email address there. It's up to you guys. So this is basically how to set up your YouTube channel. If you want to get like a step further, you can go here on subtitles, dashboard, content, analytics. It's all your it's just your imagination is the limit here. Anyway, for the dashboard here, this is where you upload your video. And then for the content, this is where you check how many views, how many minutes, how many likes, comments, something like that for each of your videos. Okay? Analytics is this is where you see the views, the watch time, the subscribers. This is where you track your YouTube progress. Okay? So let me just check my audio right here if everything is good. Copyright, you're gonna get this when you have, I think, 1,000 viewing hours or something like that. Anyway, you'll arrive here someday. Okay? So that's it. That's how you create your own YouTube channel. I hope you take note and you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you like it. Have a safe one, guys.